In this Instagram tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can get the new Notify sticker for your Instagram stories and use it. So welcome back to a new App Tutor Instagram tutorial video, everyone. Instagram has added a new Notify sticker for your Instagram stories. And when you use that sticker and share it to your stories, anyone who clicks on it can choose to receive notifications for when you share a post, a reel, a story, and a couple more things. So in order to get this sticker, you first want to update the Instagram app to the latest version in order to make sure that you have this sticker. So hop over to your App Store or your Google Play Store and just make sure that Instagram is updated. If it is, then you want to open your Instagram app and then start by creating a new story for which we'll use this Notify sticker. I'm going to take a random photo for the purpose of this video, and let's add the sticker now. We want to tap on this little sticker icon at the top of your screen, and that's going to open this menu with a bunch of different stickers and options for our story. You will see this little Notify sticker with a little bell icon, and that's what we want to click on. So this sticker will now be added to our Instagram story, and you want to share the story with your followers. After I share this from my profile, I'll simply switch to my other Instagram account to show you how your followers are going to see and use this sticker. So I'm now on my other Instagram account, and I will now open the story which I had shared from my first account. As you can see, here is my sticker, and when I click on it, it will open this notifications menu where our followers can select if they want to be notified when we share a post, an Instagram story, or a reel. So they can receive a notification every time that you upload something on your profile, and they can select what notifications they want to get. So that's the new Notify sticker on Instagram, everyone. If you found this video helpful and you want more similar Instagram tutorials like this one, then please consider subscribing to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.